Welcome back to the new Excel tutorial. In this video, I will guide you how you convert seconds into minutes and hour in Excel. So in the F column, I have a seconds, and now you want to convert seconds into minutes, then put the equal sign and use the convert function. Open the bracket, select the cell reference, comma, double quote, put the SEC abbreviation of the seconds and double quote, comma, double quotes. And since you are converting seconds into minutes, so you are using MN for minutes abbreviation, double quote, and close the bracket, hit enter. And here you can see that. So simply you can select all the data and reduce the decimals. So in the 240 seconds mean there are 4 minutes, and simultaneously you can use the fill handle to drag the other values. And how you can convert minutes into hours, for this you need to put the equal sign and use the convert function, open the bracket, and now use the cell reference minutes and comma double quotes. And now since you are converting minutes to hour, you need to mention MN for the minutes abbreviation and double quote, comma, double quote, and use HR for hour abbreviations and double quote and close the bracket and hit enter. And here it is. Simply drag the fill handle to find the other values, and you can also increase or decrease the decimals. So here you can see that 360 minutes equal to the 6 minutes and equal to 0.10 hour, and similarly 4800 seconds equal to 80 minutes and it is equal to the 1.33 hour. If you have learned something new, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.